Hello everyone, how are you? Many users are currently facing this issue, unavailable to load site, or there is a problem with your request. If you are seeing this on your screen too, don't worry, it's not just you. This usually happens when the app server are down or there's a temporary glitch. Sometimes it can also be caused by using a VPN or weak internet connection. So first try turning off your VPN, then switch between mobile data and Wi-Fi to see if it helps. If the issue continues, clear your mobile cache and update your mobile or update to latest version of the application. These types of errors are common on apps like Instagram, ChatGPT or any other online platform when their server are overloaded. Just wait few minutes and try again. Your account is safe, it's not deleted or banned. And if you want to confirm, check the official status page of the app to see there's an outage. So relax, it's a temporary issue and everything will be back normally soon. If you got any help from this video, please comment your country name below.